Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to change your language on Pinterest. Right now I'm on my Pinterest profile. How you can get here is on the bottom of the screen you can see about 5 icons. All you have to do is click on the bottom right icon that says saved and you'll get here. Once you're here, we're going to look at the top right corner. There's a 3 dots icon. We're going to click on that. And then you have two options, settings and copy profile link. We're going to click on the settings option. And after you have a lot of options, but all we're going to need is the personal information option. And that's right under public profile. So we're going to click on the personal information option. And that will take us to here. And we have age, gender, country, region, and then we have language. So choose the language you speak to customize the content you use. And all you have to do is go to general on your settings, language and region, and then phone language. And here, language is updated to French. I misclicked. Sorry, but let's put back to English because I don't know any of these languages. So once you click on a language like this, it just gives you language updated a notification, and that's about it. That's how you update your language on Pinterest. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.